Recent scientific studies about eggs, one of the most controversial foods in the history of nutrition, may surprise you. What happens to your body when you commit to eating 2 eggs every single day? Before we dive into the fascinating science, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more evidence-based nutrition content. Your support helps us continue bringing you scientifically backed health information. For decades, eggs have been at the center of nutrition's most heated debates. Touted as a perfect natural food source by some, and condemned as a cholesterol source by others, the humble egg has weathered scientific scrutiny and public opinion shifts. But what does the current research actually say about regular egg consumption? When we examine the nutritional profile of eggs, we find an impressive array of nutrients packed into that simple shell. 2 large eggs contain approximately 12 grams of high-quality protein, significant amounts of vitamins A, D, E, and B12, along with essential minerals like selenium and zinc. They also provide important nutrients like choline and lutein, which play crucial roles in brain function and health. The historical concern about eggs primarily revolved around their cholesterol content, with 2 eggs containing about 420 milligrams of dietary cholesterol. For years, health organizations recommended limiting dietary cholesterol to 300 milligrams per day, which led to many people avoiding eggs or discarding their nutrient-rich yolks. This cholesterol fear was based on the hypothesis that dietary cholesterol directly increases blood cholesterol levels, which in turn was thought to increase cardiovascular risk. However, as research has evolved, we've learned that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is far more complex than initially believed. The scientific community began to question the anti-egg narrative when large-scale epidemiological studies failed to find consistent links between egg consumption and heart disease risk in healthy populations. This prompted researchers to take a closer look at how different people respond to dietary cholesterol, revealing significant individual variation based on genetics and metabolic factors. We now understand that for most people, dietary cholesterol has a relatively modest impact on blood cholesterol levels, compared to the much stronger effects of saturated and trans fats. The body has sophisticated regulatory mechanisms, producing less cholesterol internally when more is consumed from food. Recent comprehensive reviews have further shifted the perspective, with major health organizations removing strict dietary cholesterol limits while emphasizing the importance of overall dietary patterns rather than focusing on single nutrients. Despite this evolving science, many consumers and even some healthcare professionals still hold on to outdated beliefs about eggs and cholesterol, creating confusion about where eggs fit in a healthy diet. Let's examine the cognitive benefits of regular egg consumption. Egg yolks are one of the richest dietary sources of choline, an essential nutrient that serves as a precursor for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter critical for memory, mood, and cognitive function. Without adequate choline, our brains simply cannot function optimally. A 2023 randomized controlled trial published in Lipids in Health and Disease demonstrated that supplementing with 300 milligrams of egg yolk choline daily, approximately the amount found in 2 eggs, significantly improved verbal memory scores in middle-aged and older adults after 12 weeks. The study also found increased plasma choline levels in the supplementation group, indicating better choline status. This research is particularly relevant for brain health across lifespan. Adequate choline during pregnancy supports fetal brain development, while in older adults it may help maintain cognitive function and potentially slow age-related decline. Moving beyond brain health, eggs provide powerful support for visual function. The yolks contain 2 carotenoids called lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the macula of the eye, where they help filter harmful blue light and act as antioxidants to protect retinal cells from damage. Research shows that these carotenoids are more bioavailable from eggs than from many other food sources, thanks to the fat content of the yolk enhancing their absorption. Regular consumption of eggs has been shown to increase macular pigment optical density, which serves as a measurable biomarker of eye health and protective capacity. Higher macular pigment density is associated with reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. This makes eggs a valuable dietary component for long-term eye health preservation. The protein quality in eggs is another remarkable aspect. With all 9 essential amino acids in ideal proportions, egg protein is considered the gold standard against which other protein sources are measured. The high bioavailability means our bodies can efficiently use this protein for muscle repair, enzyme production, and immune function. For individuals looking to maintain or build muscle mass, the leucine content in eggs is particularly important. This branched-chain amino acid plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, making eggs an excellent food choice for athletes, older adults at risk of sarcopenia, and anyone interested in preserving metabolic health. When we combine the benefits through daily consumption of 2 eggs, the synergistic effects on overall health become quite impressive. The combination of high-quality protein, essential fatty acids, and a diverse array of micronutrients creates a nutrient package that supports multiple body systems simultaneously. The satiety factor of eggs shouldn't be overlooked either. Research consistently shows that eating eggs for breakfast leads to greater feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake throughout the day compared to other common breakfast options with similar calorie counts. This effect can be particularly valuable for weight management efforts. Contrary to historical concerns, recent major studies have not found significant associations between moderate egg consumption and cardiovascular risk in healthy populations. In fact, some research suggests potential benefits from stroke risk reduction, though more research is needed to confirm this relationship. It's important to note that the overall dietary context matters tremendously. Eggs prepared with healthy methods and served alongside vegetables and whole grains contribute differently to health than eggs paired with refined carbohydrates and processed meats. Research indicates that the plasma lipid response to dietary cholesterol from eggs varies between individuals based on genetic factors. While most people experience minimal changes, a subset of the population may see more significant increases in LDL cholesterol and may benefit from moderation in egg consumption. The nutrient density of eggs makes them particularly valuable for populations with higher nutritional needs, including growing children, pregnant women, and older adults. The combination of protein, choline, and various vitamins and minerals supports optimal development and healthy aging. Emerging research suggests that the phospholipids in egg yolks may improve the absorption of other fat-soluble nutrients when consumed together, potentially enhancing the overall nutritional value of mixed meals that include eggs. Based on the current scientific evidence, eating 2 eggs daily appears to offer significant benefits for most people, including support for cognitive function, eye health, and muscle maintenance, without adversely impacting cardiovascular risk factors in the majority of the population. The historical fears about egg consumption and cholesterol were based on an oversimplified understanding of nutrition science. As research methods have advanced, and we've gained a more nuanced understanding of how dietary cholesterol functions in the body, eggs have been rightfully reclaimed as a nutritious food that can be part of a healthy dietary pattern. While eggs provide numerous benefits, it's important to remember that they represent just one component of an overall balanced diet. Individual factors including genetics, metabolic health, and personal health goals should inform your specific approach to egg consumption. If you found this evidence-based breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you incorporated daily eggs into your diet? Notice any changes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice tailored to your specific health status and needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our science-driven health content. Until next time, remember that good health is built one informed choice at a time.